Yes. Bernström från Sverige.
Family?
Agda, Josef, Morten.
Looking for your family?
Have you seen them? Bernström!
Okay, calm down. I will help you. Okay?
Agda, Morten, Josef.
I'll try and help you.
Okay.
Agda Benström. Morten Benström? Ja. Morten Benström from Sweden. I know your dad. Yeah, your papa. He's here. I'll bring him here, okay?